Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya.
Welcome to Alex and Maya Science Lab.
Whoa, look out! There's a little buzzard chasing me.
Hold on, Alex. You do not need to run away. That little buzzer is actually one of the greatest superheroes on our entire planet.
A superhero? Really? But where's its cape? All I see are stripes and wings.
It might not wear a cape, but it has a super important mission. Today, we're going to learn all about bees, our incredible pollen superheroes.
Awesome! I love superheroes. But why are they always buzzing around all those pretty flowers in the garden?
Flowers are basically a bee's favorite restaurant. Deep inside the flower, there's a super sweet juice called nectar.
Nectar! It's like a natural energy drink for them.
Exactly. It gives them the fuel to fly. But while they're slurping up that sweet nectar, something magical happens. Look very closely at the bee. Bees are covered in tiny little hairs. They look like they're wearing cozy, fuzzy sweaters. And when they drink nectar, those fuzzy hairs brush up against the flower.
Whoa! The flower is sprinkling golden dust all over the bee.
It sure is. Here's our very first question. What do you think that special golden dust is called? Is it called fairy dust or is it called pollen? Take a guess.
I know. It is called pollen.
You got it. It's pollen, and flowers actually want the bees to take this powder. Let's do a quick demonstration. Imagine this fuzzy tennis ball is our bee, and this bowl of orange powder is a flower.
Poof! Look! The orange powder is stuck all over the fuzz.
Now, here's our second question. What happens to the golden dust when the fuzzy bee lands on a brand new flower? Take a guess.
The dust falls off and gets left behind on the new flower.
Bingo! Moving pollen from one flower to another flower is called pollination. When the bee drops off that golden dust, it gives the plant the power to grow.
Wait, so bees help things grow?
Yes, without the bees sharing that pollen, plants could never grow the apples or sweet strawberries we love to eat.
Wow! Thank you, bees.
Did you know bees dance to talk to each other? It's called the Waggle Dance. When a bee finds a great patch of flowers, it wiggles its body to tell the other bees exactly where to go.
That is the smartest dance move ever.
Time for a quick quiz. True or false? Bees visit flowers to drink sweet nectar.
True.
Correct. Now try this at home. Take a cotton swab, which is your fuzzy bee, dip it into the cheese dust at the bottom of a snack bag, then tap it on a clean plate. You'll see the powder drop off, just like pollination.
I am totally gonna try that.
Let's remember our superhero bees with a quick rhyme. Fuzzy bees fly from bloom to bloom,
Making our fruits grow and zoom.
Great job! See you next time.